Hello, we are the SpaceX fans and welcome to the SpaceX Show, the place where you can stay up to date with everything SpaceX. In the span of just a matter of hours, there were two launches by SpaceX. The first was the successful launch of the Starlink 2.5 mission.
1, engines full power, and liftoff of Starlink Group 2-5. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
The booster which launched this mission, B-1063, then landed successfully for the 9th time on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You.
And there's confirmation that the Stage 1 landing burn has started in preparation for touchdown on our drone ship Of Course I Still Love You.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And there you heard and saw that Falcon 9 has successfully landed on our drone ship Of Course I Still Love You in the Pacific Ocean. This marks our 172nd overall landing of an orbital class rocket, including Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy missions.
The next successful launch from SpaceX was the Inmarsat 6 F2 mission.
1, engines full power, and liftoff of Falcon 9 and Inmarsat. Go Falcon, go Inmarsat.
The booster which launched this mission, B-1077, then landed successfully for the 3rd time on the drone ship Just Read the Instructions.
And back shut down.
There you can see it and here on the nets. We have confirmation of SECO
Stage 1 landing burn.
And the landing burn for Stage 1 has begun. We are now just waiting for confirmation of good orbital insertion for our second stage.
Nominal orbit insertion.
There you've heard on the nets, nominal orbital insertion.
Signal, Cape Canaveral.
We are now waiting for Falcon to land
Stage
back.
1 landing leg deploy.
Back on our drone ship, just read the instructions. And as you can see and hear it, you have SpaceX's 173rd recovery of an orbital class rocket, including first stage landings for Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy.
Coming up this week, we can hopefully expect another mission to launch. The launch of the Starlink 6.1 mission is currently scheduled for Thursday 23rd at 6:37 PM UTC or 1:37 PM EST. There was information about the FAA looking to fine SpaceX for not submitting data. This article says the Federal Aviation Administration seeks a $175,000 fine against Elon Musk's SpaceX, alleging the company failed to submit required data ahead of a Falcon 9 launch last year. Related to this information, Christian Davenport posted a tweet. He said perhaps some of SpaceX's customers were spooked when the FAA said it was going to fine the company $175K today for failing to submit orbital collision data. Then SpaceX responds by saying nothing but teeing up a double header, 2 launches on the same day, and Starship is next. Heading to Boca Chica, here's a view of the launch site. There is foundation work going on in the production yard. Here's a view of water deluge equipment at the propellant production site. In response to Christian Davenport's tweet we saw just now, Chris Burgeon posted a tweet. He said, "I'm sure you want to break it in the post when you get it, but I'm looking forward to one of your positive news FAA tweets for Starship orbital flight test. Ground side is looking closer to launch by the week." Davenport then responded with, "From what I hear, everything is on track for a March launch attempt as far as the FAA is concerned. The test nose cone being worked on was seen moved in the production yard. The Starship 27 nose cone was seen being stacked in the high bay. Here's some more of Ship 27 being worked on in the mid bay. Work has continued on Booster 7 recently as they replace HPU components. Recently, SpaceX did a single engine spin prime test of a Raptor on Booster 7 as it gets closer to being ready to launch." Taking a look at the upcoming Road and Beach closures on the Cameron County website, SpaceX have some dates for this coming week. They have possible closures for Tuesday 21st, Wednesday 22nd, Thursday 23rd and Friday 24th. As always, I have to say thanks to both Jack Beyer and Nick Ansuini for being out there filming the Starbase content. Also, thanks to the NASA spaceflight team working behind the scenes on their videos, live streams and other space content. That's it for this episode of the SpaceX Show. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you want to stay updated with SpaceX info, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.